Hey guys, welcome back to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be cooking an instant meal in an instant pot. So we're going to add some butter and some onion. And be warned, there's a lot of vegetables, so you better get your cutting board ready. So add a bunch of onions and 3 tomatoes chopped up in there. This really gives the flavor, The onion are just everything. You need onion in everything. Add some ginger garlic paste. Gives a little pop. I don't know why, but it helps. You're going to make sure to mix everything perfectly. You want it all nicely mixed together. And now we're going to start adding spices. Turmeric powder, chili powder, some salt, and we're going to have coriander and jeera powder, and then 4 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji masala. So you're just gonna add it all in and mix it really well. It's gonna feel weird and look weird, but you're gonna ignore that. You're gonna add potato, carrot, cauliflower, and peas. All the food your children hate. Add it all in there and add some water. And then you're just gonna mix it once more. Give it a nice, really good mix, and you're just gonna let it sit. Make sure it all blends in together because you don't want any sticking out. You're going to pressure cook for 6 minutes. And boom, and boom. So after that, you're just going to take it off and let it chill for a while. And this is how it should look like after 6 minutes. So what you're going to do now is you're going to mash it up. This is what's going to be the main base for our curry. You're going to mash it all up into really, really soft mush. So just keep mashing in there with all your arm strength. It's very painful, but it's worth it. And you should end up with something like this. It looks weird, but it tastes amazing. Add a little bit of water just to give it that good old push it needs. And keep mixing. Never stop. So after you're done that, you're going to let it simmer for a while. And add some leaves. And keep mixing. So until you can make like a little 8. Then you're going to add some butter to the pan and put in your bread. Those already look so good. Buttered up and perfect. Add a few leaves in there or mint for extra flavor. And yeah, just keep roasting until you get them as crunchy as you like. I personally like them not too crunchy and a little soft, And then add some onion, some curry, a little lemon, your bread, and eat it up. It is so delicious, perfect dinner, super duper amazing. So make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and enjoy this very tasty treat. Bye!